Hi YouTube, it's Cameron Simpson, CS Trades 101. Thank you for joining us here today. What a day. So I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Okay, thanks for joining us here today, Wolfpack and Wall Street Breakers. How you guys all doing? Thanks for you guys coming over to this channel. Awesome channel. So guys from Wolfpack here, our followers, you might want to go check it out. Go out, check out their Discord. It's awesome. The descriptions are down below. Really good group of people. I was in there yesterday talking to some people. Yeah, really friendly, educated. They got some classes online. You can go down in the left-hand side in their stuff there, and you can check it out. They got some education. You can learn how to do option trading and stuff. They have a lot of good stuff in there. Just check it out. Tell me what you think. Okay, let's get into this today. We got an exciting day today. Exciting in a way that there's lots happening. The market is not doing good for crypto. Crypto's down to, Doge is down 20.75 right now. Yeah, it's just crazy stuff. So let's just, I just want to bounce into that. We've got 2 minutes before market opens. So Doge is sitting at, Dogecoin is sitting at 0.34. So I'm a little bit on this one. If you have some and you want to add to your stash, today's obviously a good day to buy, especially at this price. I can't see it going much. It was down to 27% about 3 in the morning. That's probably when you want to. It's a buy. All my I got 2 scanners here. They're saying buy the signals on them. That's up to you. I can't tell you what to do, but just watch yourself with crypto right now. Okay, it's all taking a hit. Ethereum is down. Holy crow. It's down 21%. Ooh, that's not good. Bitcoin's down 16%. So we are going to jump back over to the other charts here. Okay, AMC after hours. We're going to blow this chart up here. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, AMC after hours is down 7.77%. Don't worry about that. That's after hours. We're sitting at $14.03, 0.57 before the market close. Now we're down to $12.95. As soon as that bell rings in about 50, right now, the market just opened. So let's check this out here. There we go. We're bouncing here. You have to remember, it's down 9%. We've got a lot of volume coming. You have to remember all these platforms are dumping right now. Okay? Ooh, that's a pretty big jump. No panic selling, guys. This is what happens. Okay, look at my whole portfolio on the left side. The whole thing is red. The whole economy took a dive last night. Okay? So, my advice is this is what I'm doing. I'm buying some more shares in AMC. I'll probably do it live. As soon as I never buy first thing in the morning because of all the dump. All these trading platforms are all unloading right now. Okay, so that is the rule that CS Trades 101 does. I have classes on this on weekends. You can go back in the archives and you can look. We do classes on weekends. We do education period on weekends. So if you're subbed, you will get those notifications. Okay, I don't do the schooling live. It's strictly pre-recorded podcast. Okay, it's just I'm too busy on the weekend to do it. I don't mind launching it out there. It's just that I put about 12 hours a day, 10 hours a day on this. I do everything myself, all the software, everything. So we are sitting at $12.92 right now. The market's only been open for 1 minute. We're sitting at 7.42%. We've actually gone, well, we're bouncing at 6 now. It's actually dropped a bit. Okay, we're fighting tooth and nail right now, guys. Okay, I just want to check out the pivot points. Let's see our line of resistances here. We're actually below par right now. We're sitting, we actually went above it actually a little bit, right? Oh, no, we're tanking down. Sorry, we're below support level 1 right now. We're at support level 2. Sorry about that, guys. I was reading the wrong chart. I got multiple scanners in front of me. So we are actually pushing. We're actually, the volume's coming in and it's actually pushing up right now. We're doing better than almost half the stocks on the New York Stock Exchange right now. So nobody stress, okay? These are days you buy. Okay, I'm just going to pop that off there because it's a very overwhelming, especially on if you're watching this off of a smartphone. Okay, here we go. Push it, baby. Okay, so I just wanted to go over some notes here. I do have some news, a little bit of news for later on. I did get some articles last night. I've been up again, like I said, about 3 in the morning. I got hours more sleep this morning. We're already at 10.85 million exchanged. There's definitely volume coming in here. We could do a correction here on this today by the end of the day. It's just all tech stocks are getting schwacked right now, like big time, big time. Oh, drop a chat, guys, if you want me to cover any other stocks right now, or if that's what this is all about. All you new guys from Reddit that just came in last night, and from Wall Street Breakers, and from Twitter. Yeah, we linked up a whole bunch of stuff last night. So, yeah, we're now in partners, I guess it would be, or joint adventure with Wall Street Breakers now. So. Really good group of guys. Same with the Wolf Pack. You guys will get along fine. Fine. They got a bit of chip on their shoulders like I do. And like the Wolf Pack does. We got strong backs, right? That's why we're wolves. So. Just having a look here, guys. I'm just analyzing this a bit. I'm just going to see what's going on here. Okay, we do have, we've already overturned 2.77% of the pot today. That's not bad for this time of morning. We've only been in, just hit 4 minutes dead on. Market's been open 4 minutes, my friends. Okay, we're at 9.47% minus. These are perfect days to buy. Like, yeah, I'm definitely going to be loading up here. Probably in about, if that hits 11, I'm loading up. I'm probably going to buy another couple $100. I just got paid the other day, so always add to the pot. I won't be doubling down though. I won't be buying another 1,000 shares. Like that's definitely not going to be happening. Not that I wouldn't. I would love to. It's just that I got a mortgage payment and stuff to make too. That stuff comes first. Like I want you guys to learn too. That stuff should come first. Don't put yourself out over this. I know this is going to squeeze. We just don't know when. But like I said before, and this will be to anybody that's on the group that's subbed. This will only affect the people that sub because I can't contact you if I don't have your, if you haven't subbed, right? This makes sense. So when this thing does squeeze, it's going to go up in different levels. And I got an article on that later on that I'll show you about how it goes, right? Because I keep on getting emails, which are not bad. Like you guys can email me anytime at cstrades101gmail.com. Anytime you want, or you can drop a comment. A lot of people just like to talk in person. You don't have to pay for that. A lot of channels charge you for that. Okay, same as super chats. We don't do super chats right now, right? We're still growing. We're a new channel, right? So I'm not going to bombard everybody to charge them money just to talk to me. Like it doesn't. I'm not doing that right now. So we are almost at negative 10%. I might be picking that phone up pretty soon and purchasing some more shares. There we go. Remember the deal? I told you guys when it hits 11. So I just wanted to have a look over at, because we can bounce around here. Let's have a look right now. Let's check out some Doge is sitting at let's just bounce it up here. It's easier for you guys. Can you guys hear me correctly? Do you want to drop me a chat? Is everything working out good? Are you guys getting a good feed? I just have been having software issues up probably about 3 days ago. I just want to make sure I got all the bugs worked out. Okay, so we're sitting at Dogecoin. We're sitting at 0.3426. We are a negative 20.68%. For the new guys that come to this channel, we do cover multiple stocks. It's just not AMC and GME. Okay, so I know a lot of channels just cover one thing. We are a broad spectrum. We cover everything. So, okay, so that's Doge for you. I just wanted to check what we are doing here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's got schwacked. Definitely. It's common sense. But yeah, if you own, you might want to buy some more stock to add to your pile. If you don't own, that's up to you. I can't tell you what to do. I'm personally staying away from it right now. I just I have my eyes on I'm in AMC long, and I've been doing like that's that's my little baby. It's our project, and I think it's a lot of other people's. So let's check in. I just got a message from Twitter. to check out. Let's check out some. Oh, sorry guys. Where did that go? Yeah. GME, where are you? There you are, baby cakes. Okay, here we go. 175.44%. We're only down 2.89. Okay, it's that this thing's doing better than most stocks on the stock exchange right now. Like I said, my whole portfolio is red, like a sea of red. It's bleeding. There's blood everywhere. And I'm pretty sure that most people are like that right now. So it has gone down a little bit more since we talked. Is at 3.37, and things just came to things just stopped here for some reason. They have a halt? Nope. I thought they had a halt. I don't know why, but no, it's just a little bit of less, not that much movement coming in here this morning. Yeah, nothing really at all. 543K. That's all the shares, and they've only ever returned 0.77, and that's feasible because it's expensive, and a lot of people are obviously pulling out of the market right now for some reason. I think there's a lot of news on in China right now that's scaring a lot of people. To start with Bitcoin and then banning it and a whole bunch, it's just crazy stuff, right? So I do want to check out some signals here. Okay, we are below par. We are actually trading between par and support level 1. So what we got to do is get back up to a 179.5. Now we'll check over. I'm just going to jump on the phone here for a second, guys. I just got to check something here because I am going to purchase. I'm going to put us back on AMC so you guys can watch the chart while I'm doing this. Just give me 2 seconds. Sorry about that. Okay, I just want to double check the volume here, guys. I just want to double check our feed. Okay, we're good. We are good. Okay, Wolfpack. $12.98. Okay. Definitely Wolfpack. This is just what I'm doing. I know I wouldn't be selling right now. That's up to you. Everybody has a different lives, but don't be scared. This is nothing. I already covered this earlier, last couple of videos. We're not going to be I'm not going to be fear mongering on here. This is normal going up and down the waves. What are we, 8 days in the green? Like, that's crazy. I've never seen the stock like that before. Ever since I bought it, ever since I've been keeping an eye on this. Okay, I'm just going to jump over here and just check the laptop here. I'm just going to check a couple scanners here, guys. To see if all the scanners are on the same thing happening here. What was I going to... Yeah, that's right. We'll jump over here. Okay, dokie. We're looking good, Wolfpack. Yeah, I just want to make sure that all my scanners are... I got a scanner out of the UK here. I'm just trying some new software out. It seems to be really good, though. I'm not going to be advertising the name right now because I'm still in beta testing. Okay? Bam. Okay. Okay, we're at $12.88. We are 8.33% in the red. Perfect day to buy. Perfect day to buy. A little bit lower, and I'm loading. Okay, I just got a message to check some sundial out. Okay, like I said, we check multiple stuff for all the new people on here. Anything you want me to check, just drop it in the chat. Okay, sundial is trading at 0.7386 right now. It has moved 12.58 million in volume. We got a lot of volume coming in here today. A lot of selling though too, but we definitely have volume coming in here today, which will help help this stock down the road. So sundial is a canvas stock. It's out of Canada. Just so you a little bit of education if you didn't know that. is very cheap, especially if you have American funds to purchase it. It is a buy. Definitely at this price. They own a lot of stuff. They're buying up everything in Canada here. They've just acquired about 5 companies in probably about 2 months. So they are the kings. They're becoming the king, right? They're probably going to be a couple things up here. So they did, on their last quarter, they did smash their figures, okay? Okay, we are going to do some Microvision. Ticker symbol MVIS. Microvision is sitting at $14.42 in the red. We're 4.22% in the red. We've moved through 1.2 million volume already, and we are only 14 minutes into the market. Microvision has been taking a frigging hit lately. I know a lot of people have paid up higher on this. Microvision is one of those things that I would hold long until you recover your money. A lot of people got schwacked on this really bad back up in here, right? Right up in here. Okay. So I do have a video on this. This thing got nailed bad. If you want to go into archives back into my podcast, you can actually see a live ladder attack. We had major hits on that. I've never in my whole life of trading seen a ladder attack like that. You could actually see the whole screen just going like this, like waves, and the order book was just flatlined. I've never seen anything like that before. And then all of a sudden, exactly 15 seconds, we were counting it, 15 seconds, they would let up on the ladder attack and the thing would just go right to the roof. It was crazy, crazy, crazy stuff. Wow. Nuts, nuts, nuts. So, okay. So I'm going to check to where they are. They're bouncing almost, they're actually on support level 2 support level between 2 and 1. Like I said, the whole market's getting toasted today. So that's up to you if you guys want to add to this and start selling. I wouldn't. Wolfpack, we have our rules here that when I do my online classes on weekends. There's certain rules. If you're into a stock and you in your heart you love that stock, this is when you buy more. If you can afford it, don't put yourself out. Okay, and don't take out loans, guys, for this stuff. Don't be paying interest for stocks because nobody can read the stock market like down the road in a week. They can assume, but there's no computer formulas or any math formulas or anything like that that can predict that. We have indicators, right? But indicators are just a guideline. Okay, that's all taught in the classroom on weekends. Okay, I am going to jump back over to AMC right now. $13.22. We are at negative 588. We are taking a bit of a climb here. It's actually a decent climb. We got a little bit of steps of consolidation here, right here. Right here's your buy if you're going to purchase, okay? I just want to check this. We are hitting up. We need to get up quite a bit. We need to get up 14.60. We probably, what time is it right now? I usually don't buy, or I don't do hard figures until about 8 or 9 o'clock. Okay, because these people are selling lots and buying lots at this time on mobile apps, on these zero commission apps. Okay, which is nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying that it's overloaded. The system gets overloaded and then it dumps, right? If you've noticed, have you ever bought stocks before? I know I have, and I'm still trying to recover from like a long time ago. You buy a stock and then all of a sudden, like, you purchase it either after hours and then it opens and then all of a sudden you paid more for it than what it was supposed to be, right? You're like, what the heck happened there? You get what it is at the market on most of the traders apps from brokers, right? Or you'll purchase it like say like about a half an hour or 15 minutes ago, right? Just after the market opens, you buy it and you're like, oh man, I'm doing good. And you look over and it's down like 5%, and then it might take months to recover that. That's the problem, okay? I'm not telling you what to do. Do your own DD. Okay, this is one I want to check out right now. It's BTU, Peabody Energy, okay? This was on a frigging huge rip. I think it went up to like 50 some odd percent, okay? And then I had lots of people on here the other day are like, oh, buy it. I'm like, whoa, warning signal. in my gut, I'm in a sick feeling, then I don't buy. Just listen to your stomach, man. Don't listen to your brain. Your brain, that's what a lot of people like on a day like this. You might want to watch this and just walk away from the TV. Because if you're going to sit there, that's when your brain starts going, oh, should I sell? Should I sell it? A lot of professional traders will only come back and watch a couple times a day, set their indicators up. And then because it can actually do a lot of, it can actually fearmonger you into selling. Okay. And that's what pros do. A lot of pros. Okay. I do it myself, but I know really, I've learned my lesson. Okay. I still make mistakes. Of course, I'm human, and I try to learn off those. BB, we're gonna cover BB right now. Kat, how you doing? Good morning. Okay, just give me a second, Kat. I'm just gonna go through this one stock here, just because somebody asked me about BB. Ticker symbol BB, BlackBerry. BlackBerry is a Canadian stock. Really good. They're into cybersecurity now. The military has signed contracts with them. CPP Canada, which is our disability act that helps disabled people, sends them checks every month and all that stuff. They have security now. They bought security with them. Okay. And Volvo Group, same as them. They're going to be running in mines and all that stuff and quarries with trucks with no drivers. Okay. And they already have the software. That's the cool thing about BlackBerry. BlackBerry is an undervalued stock. I have a buy signal on this. Huge. Okay. You're never going to see it this cheap in the next 6 months. This thing's going to go crazy. Okay. Do your DD. Okay, Kat, I'm just going to put us back on AMC. And then we'll answer your questions. AMC, $13.09. We are negative 6.56. We have traded 22.9 million shares this morning. We have overturned 5.10%. And I think utilization rate's 90%, I think. I'll double check that in a bit on a chart. Okay, Kat, good morning. Just curious, how bad is using the margin account? Are you looking at 20% interest or higher? I don't know. See, the thing with options and stuff, I don't do options. A lot of people do. There's other channels that do options. I stay away from options puts. Okay, I strictly invest and flip, or invest and stay long. Okay, I've had better luck that way. You can get yourself into some bad trouble. Like, I personally haven't, but I would, yeah, margin calls and stuff like that. You better, hey, Kat, I got some good idea for you. That Wall Street Breakers, okay, Discord, that link down below. I was actually in there because we're a part of that now. We're doing a joint adventure here, probably for a long time. So anyways, go into there. You guys have access to that. Okay, just join. And the modder will a really nice guy, PV, and he will just talk to him and just say, Wolfpack, I'm here from the Wolfpack, and he will hook you up good. Okay. And then and once you become enjoying it, on the left hand side, if you go down, that they have education stuff, and it tells you all about margin accounts, calls, puts, all that stuff in there. I was digging in there last night. It's a lot of reading, but it's very, very good stuff. Okay, Kat, does that answer your question a bit? Okay, so I hope it did. If not, then just send me another chat and I'll dig in a list. See, that's the thing with texting. It's really hard texting can be taken different ways. Okay, cheers to everybody into a red day. Today's a buy day if you're buying. There's nothing we can do. Okay, I'm just checking some my scanner here. Yeah, wow. Ethereum, Bitcoin is just getting schwacked too. Holy Jesus. Sorry, I shouldn't use that word. Jeez. 2000, okay, ticker symbol, sorry about that. ETH, and it's in USD, obviously. It's $2,430 dollars and 21.4% in the red. Not good. So, you do your own digging on this stuff here. It's okay. Thanks, Kat. So yeah, you do your own digging on this. Like I said, crypto is one of those things that has no financial backing. Okay, It is what it is. Whatever the people say it's worth, it is. So a bunch of people start selling, it collapses, right? Just look at this. It keeps on doing this. And all it takes is a tweet. That I personally don't like. That's pretty scary that one or two people in the world can control crypto. It's not good. Not good. Not good. But if you're in on this, you do your own DD. I would not sell on a red day, like especially 20%. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That hurts, man. If anything, yeah. I just won't comment on that because I know a lot of our subbers have crypto, and there's a lot of on Wall Street Breakers, they cover crypto too. There's a section on crypto, really good stuff, and you can actually enroll and get Ortex charts. Okay, I think it's $4. Pretty good deal. There's a lot of good deals on there. I recommend doing subbing to it and then paying for the subscription into the different tiers. Beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. The person that made that, the mastermind. Okay, I think he's working on some software for our program, so things might be changing a little bit here, guys, to the better. Okay. Okay. Do. Okay, so let's jump into. I just want to jump into a Canadian stock here. Air Canada. Stop doing that. I got to stop doing that to myself. Okay. Air Canada is our aviation sector. It's the main one. Like I said, we cover every stock here, both countries. Air Canada is a buy. It's 50% off right now. If you look back, that's what I always do, guys. Ladies and gentlemen. Both back. Wall Street Breakers. Everybody out there. This is what the CS Trades 101 is all about. We try to educate on it. If you look back into the chart, whatever chart you're looking, put it on the day chart or the hour chart and go back and look, what did that thing trade for in the last year? Or you can look at the 52 weeker, but I like to dig further. I like to dig deep, especially if I'm putting a lot of money into this. So you look at it, it was trading for like 40, $50, like before COVID. And then you look back further, like in the last couple of years. Oh, wow, man, that's pretty good. It'll go back up. It's 50% off right now. And the thing is, Air Canada doesn't always sell shares. They max out and that's it. You can't buy. There was for like a year, you could not buy shares in this company. I dumped 5G on it and I bought it for $23. So I'm up on it, right? And a lot of my friends did. Personal friends that I talk with like all the time. We sat down and I showed them what the statistics are. And yeah, they purchased. Okay, let's jump over to the COVID pill. Ticker symbol AEZS. Okay, this is the new COVID pill. They also do other stuff. They don't trade that much, so let's put this on the 30-minute here, or actually on the 1 hour. Okay, really low volume, so this thing pumps easy. Okay, it's at a par right now. It is a buy. It is a buy all day long. This thing hits $2. It'll go up. I paper hand this. When it goes up, I flip it. I've flipped this like 3 times and pretty much it built this whole portfolio up here. That's up to you. It's trading at $1.06 right now. Okay, they do have a couple different things. They do have a COVID pill, non-temperature sensitive. Like, some of this stuff has to be kept in minus extreme temperatures. And you have to have 2 doses. This is a 1-dose deal. It will be out on the market. It's a little bit late. They had a little bit of a drawback. I'm on their actually mail list. I get emails. And then they're into some other stuff with growth, baby growth, like placenta growth, hormones and stuff. Really cool stuff. You should dig into it. Okie dokie. I'm off of here. Okay, so that is the COVID pill. Okay, the only one in the world. Just so you know, it's the only one in the world right now. And it's a buy. So cheap, penny stock. And it does go up. I can guarantee this thing, if somebody comes in and buys like 100,000 shares, this thing goes right up to like 100% in climb. I've seen it go up 200% in one trading session, right? I didn't get it until the next day. I was so tired I fell asleep. My wife goes she doesn't know how to read the chart. She's reading this, looking over at the scanner, and all of a sudden she's like, they just flash and all my alarms are going off. All the friggin' phones, the laptops flashing with all alarms going off. And she wakes me up. Everything's going crazy. She woke me up at like 2 minutes before the market closed. I was like 15 grand ahead in one day. And then I bought it. I was only 8 grand ahead the next day. Right. But it is what it is. That's what happens. Right. AMC Entertainment Holdings. Okay, this is what it's all about today. Buying the dip. $12.92. We're negative 7.2%. And I'm just going to be digging into some news here. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, I'm going to dig into some news here. I got some news for you guys, and we're going to read some news here. Okay, this is, thank you, Brother Ape there. This is from Bruno on Twitter, okay? So, thanks for the share, and I'm actually going to smash you a like on this. I'm going to hit you a like. Give me a second here. No, that's other news. Sorry, guys. That's not going to work. Okay, so let's read this off the one chart, and I'll hit you a like. I always smash the heart button, the like button after I'm done. Okay, AMC is a reminder that a short squeeze is not a one-day event. Remember, we've been talking, and I get a lot of questions on this, okay? This person typed this out perfect. That's why I'm using his stuff. And thank you very much for letting us. Okay, this happens in GME, January 20. So he's using a template from something that happened in the past, okay? On January 12th, GM closed at $19.95. Okay, fair enough. The 13th opened at $20. He's explaining how it works. Okay, it's not just going to go up like that. It's going to go in waves, just like today. Tomorrow, who knows? It could squeeze. We don't know. But see, that's the thing, right? It dips. That's why it's good it dips, because it gives people a chance to reload. Okay, so on the 14th, 20th of January, closed at $29 area, in that rough range, I guess he's saying. The 21st of Jan, it was 43.03. The 22nd, see how it goes up in increments? Okay, this is what, and then 23rd and 24th weekend. See, that's when people are talk. The weekend, after the weekend, a lot of things can happen. Okay, a lot of talks going around about GME and AMC right now. Okay, because the 26th. It was, the 25th, $26.79. It hit a high that day at $159.18. Okay. And then on January 27th, it was 347.51. Crazy stuff. And then it boosted up to $380 that day before closing. Okay, then it got the attention. That's when the media is like, what? And then the next day it pumped it even more. And you have to remember, they were shorting this too. Okay, it would get its lows during the day, and then all of a sudden, wham, it would go up. Okay, and many people sold that few days. Remember what I was talking about? If you subscribe to the channel, you're gonna get an SOS, okay, to buy, and potentially that's up to you. But I'm gonna do being a live sell, okay, on my stocks, and I'm doing it in different sequences. I have a system. Okay, I'm not going to probably dump all at once. Depends. That all depends on what is happening. Okay. Many people sold the first day and missed out on huge continuing gains in the days that follow. Okay, a lot of people closed. Remember I was telling you they had those sell limits set on, the upper high limits, and then when it hit these even numbers like 100, all of a sudden it would dip. That's what it was. And then the people would check their phones and go, oh my God, what happened? That's what I'm warning you guys. See, just by joining this channel, that knowledge right there could save you a headache and a half, okay? If AMC breaks out, you will see huge gains. It's true. Very important read. The stronger everyone holds their shares, the higher the share price will increase. It takes time for a squeeze. That is so true. I usually don't pull ads off of Twitter, but thank you, Bruno, again. AM Squeeze will not be a one-day event. Hold and enjoy the moon view. This guy's so right. Okay, my friend? Back to the chart. Okay. Okay, ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings for people that just joined right now, that just logged in. There's a bunch of you. So we're at $8 or 8.4%. 8.35% in the red today. We are bleeding a bit, but look at the whole market. If you go on to like the whole market and look at everything, even Even the Dow Jones is down 1%. Every tech stock's getting schwacked right now. So it's a buy. This is what happened like in COVID. When COVID hit, well, it was worse then, but this was what it was like for about 2 weeks, right? And a lot of people bought, and a lot of people became millionaires overnight, okay? You have to buy a substantial amount of stock, obviously, to make it that high. In some areas, depends on how much it goes up and how much it goes down. Okay, so we're having a bit of a wind down in the market. This is called a correction. If anybody, all these tech stocks are way higher than they're supposed to be. Good coffee, fresh ground beans. We've already moved 27.5 million today, and we're already at 6.12. So we're not getting as much volume today. Anybody from the States, watching, do you want to drop me a chat? When do your guys' when did you receive your stimulus check, and when are you getting the next one, or is there a next one coming? Do you want to throw me a chat? Anybody? That'd be awesome. I'm digging around on the news, but you guys, there's so much conflicting information on the channels down there. We get a CERB check up here, and I don't know, I never got one because I made too much money. But I know some friends that got it, and I think it ran out. It switched over to EI, unemployment insurance. So anyways, what we will do now is I'm going to jump back on Doge. Okay. Wow. It's gone down even more. It's at 22.48, 0.3376%. It's taking a hit. It did come up a bit, though. It did come up a bit. Yeah, that's a weird action. Look at that, eh? That's that market open. That's right when or no, it wasn't. When did the market open? Right here. Yeah, I was watching that. I was watching that just before I was just making coffee, and I was watching the news hour and stuff. And I noticed that it was just getting nailed. Oh, it hit. It swapped off the left at the 30, eh? So it's in between 45 right now. Wow. Yeah, VWAP isn't even showing. That's crazy. Check out some more crypto here. Down. Whoa, that took a hit too in the last little half an hour. 23.81, 2000 ticker symbol ETH USD, and that is crypto. 2,350 or 60. 23. Just when we're talking, it just dropped another point or 1.2. It's at 23.9. It's just getting hammered. I wonder how low this is going to go. Crazy stuff. GME. Whoops. Clicky fingers here. Itchy trigger fingers. So, ticker symbol GME. This is GameStop. It's not down that low, really. It's only 3.85. So there's people holding this for sure. Mostly retail investors, same as at the AMC. Retail investors. And this is most likely going to squeeze too. Okay, and I've just been hearing some things that could go up in the about $600 to $800 range, right? This thing's heavily shorted too. Okay, I'm going to have some Ortex charts coming in. I'm just getting somebody to working on it. Wall Street Breakers is just working on it for me, so I'm going to be having Ortex charts to work off of probably in the next day or two. So we're gonna have some more stuff here to look at, right? It's nice to have another scanner to look at, right? And they've built in scanner, and then we can the information that isn't 100%, but it's a guideline, and it would be nice to pull those charts up. Okay, and then I can show the short volume, short interest, a little bit more accurate than Webull. Webull's very vague, I've noticed, but they specialize in their scanner and actually selling product, right? Look at the volume coming through here. There's a lot of volume on this side, eh? Compared to the buy. Wow. Crazy. KMC is at 8.2. So yeah, what's affecting the market today is in China there's a discrepancy over the U.S. and Canada, I assume, and the Chinese. The American stock exchange, the government, the Feds is banning a lot of their stocks because they're not transparent. There's some shady stuff going on. And I agree on this, actually. I know a lot of people probably won't, but I agree. We want transparent stuff. We already have enough problems in our stock market with hedge funds and and the rules that have changed and stuff. Some good rules have changed here. I'm going to be covering that later on. I don't have the information on me right now. I had to do some other stuff. I did linking some more stuff to other platforms with Wall Street Breakers. We were just working on some stuff for 2 days now, ever since I was podcasted last night. That's crazy. I haven't seen this like this. The portfolio's nuts. I haven't seen this. Yeah, we're down quite a bit. I probably lost like 10G. But I'll recover. I already know that. That's just the way it is. And I know everybody else's portfolio is the same. Right? So yeah, I'm gonna be about an hour. I do about an hour a day in the morning. So we will at about 7:25 to 7:30, somewhere in that range. I will be shutting it down every day. And I will, if breaking news comes out or anything I noticed, I'm going to be flashing up a podcast and blasting it out there like I always do. And if there's an SOS out there, obviously that will be coming out with about a 15 to 30 second video. And I will be going over on what we do when we are in the squeeze, and when we sell, I will be showing on platforms how to do that, how the wolf pack, how we're going to be doing it. There's different ways to sell. There's different ways to hold to make sure that you're not holding the bag at the top. Okay. I can't guarantee that you're going to get it at the max peak. You kind of don't want to, because usually there's a slide within seconds to an hour after. We're going to try to nail it pretty close, but that's your own DD. I can't tell you what to do. I'm just doing this for entertainment purposes. So, so when it hits the top, and you can read between the lines, it's just the laws where I'm from are pretty different. Every country is different, right? You just got to go with the rules, right? You guys know the rules. You guys are smart people, right? Or else you wouldn't be in the stock market, right? I am going to cover NIO because EV company. I'm going to start covering other stuff too. I'm going to have to get another, we got, like I said, the 65-inch TV coming here. So I just got so many TVs and smartphones and tablets. It's crazy. It's overwhelming a bit. So NIO is an EV company, electric vehicle company. They're trading at $32.91. They're even getting schwacked today. And that's in China. 3.818. 3.874. Yeah, it's changing up and down. So the reason why I'm going to cover this is that it's Tesla, same as Tesla, right? Same as Tesla's competition, I guess you could call it. BlackBerry, $10.18. So I do want to go through a chart here. I do want to show the lines that we got to get through here. So we're at $14. I just want to check some. Oh, I got to go back on the 1 minute here to do that. We're doing really good, but don't be discouraged. We'll get back up there. Yeah, we want a 14.50 range, I think it was yesterday. Yeah, it was 1467 is. When did we test that last time? It's quite a while. Yeah, it has been. So we got to get up around that range. I can see that by the end of the week. Most definitely. I could see that. Okay. Looks like we got a W forming here. Looks like the start of one. That's, yeah. Maybe. Head and shoulder, maybe. Yeah, a lot of red. I know it's not people selling. It wouldn't be retail investors selling because you guys are smarter than that. Like, that's crazy. You wouldn't be selling this. But everybody's different. I understand that. I just hope a lot of people didn't panic because that's why I'm putting this out there, is that panic selling is usually really bad. Okay? Usually you don't get ahead on it. Okay? Look at these orders coming in here on AMC here. Ooh, look at that one. $12.75. So that's a good line of support. Okay, it's going to bounce off that. So that might save us from dipping any more. Right, that's still another, that's down another, that's like 12%. I hope it doesn't go that low, but I can't predict that. If it does hit that though, I think I'm going to buy some shares right now. So bear with me, Wolfpack. I'm going to buy some more AMC here. I'm going to buy another 100 shares. 100 shares, that's a 100 shares. That would be $120.76. I think. I could be wrong. I don't know if I'm going to use my TD or should I use Wealthsimple. I'll use the TD. They just charge a fee. It's not zero commission on that one. They charge $10. Just bear with me, guys. Actually, I'm gonna sign into my broker right now and see what we're at. Ooh, still 35.33 ahead on AMC. Okay. Oh. See, I should have had this loaded. See, that's my own fault. I should have had that platform loaded. Remember, I always tell you guys to do that? It's just I'm doing like multiple things. I'm watching 2 scanners. I'm watching this. I got another computer set over here for all my stuff for YouTube and Reddit and all that stuff over here. So I got multiple things going on here. But let's buy some more AMC right now. TD. What is it at? Oh, it's 8%. That's just splitting hairs. Buy. Come on. Purchase. What does that say? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I like that. There we go. Done. Dunsky. 8. I got it at 8. I got a deal on it actually, minus 8.03. It's even better now, but I got it at that. I'm very comfortable with that. I like that. That was a good down on it. Perfect. I know I won't regret that when it goes up higher. So we own one. We own a lot at $8.20. The Wolfpack does, and then we own another one at I guess $12.87. I think I got it at, and then we are in the minus still on one of our accounts, and that's 887 shares. I think it is, and that was at $14 and some chump change on that, and I'm still down. So if you're down, don't worry about it. Okay, because I'm not stressing, and I'm down a substantial, well, not down a substantial amount, but I got a lot of cheese put in there. Okay, like I said, I haven't broke even on that yet, and I'm not stressing. I've been holding that for about 3 months, 2 months now. I bought that on the crank down when it was bleeding down from $20, and I thought I was I thought I was the king of the world buying it at that price, and then the next day it tanked. Oh. My wife was peed at me, just peed at me. And I'm like, no, this is how it goes. And then I'm like, oh man, it wasn't going up. 1 month went by, 2 months went by. Then it almost hit It almost hit that range, right? And then all of a sudden it went down again. I was like, oh no. But the numbers don't lie. Like, that's the thing, right? And then top it up, more people doubled down. Like the shorts doubled down again on it, which made it even better. I'm thinking, this cannot. And then they did the share count, right? A couple months ago, a month ago. The vote there, okay? And like the share count's coming up. And we'll see. We'll see what happens there. There's a lot of skeptical people on that. Some people have been hearing some feedback just from some news articles and stuff that, and just other people, right? That it's not going to squeeze at that time. But just remember, a gamma squeeze can turn into a full squeeze, okay? A baby squeeze can actually kickstart a full potential huge squeeze, okay? I just want you guys to know that, okay? Okay. Ticker symbol we are on right now. We are on Amc Entertainment Holdings. And we're at $12.84. And we have been coming up almost 12 more minutes up on a full hour. Obviously, all the we're sitting at $12.87. We're at negative 8% pretty much, which is a perfect day to buy if you were the wolf pack. So we just had the two lines cross over here, which is the two indicators. We have an indicator right now that there's a bit of a buy-in right now. The AMA crossed over the MA. Yeah. That's what happens when I don't have my glasses on. I got to zoom up. So the EMA crossed over the MA, which is two indicators. When they cross over, shows that there's it's going to be green. Okay? I was going to say something. I got too much on my mind. I'm surprised JJ's not on here today. The guy's like a friggin' machine, right? But he's down in California, so we'll see. We'll see. The guys in VV, Vendetta. Yeah, those guys, what is it, middle of the week? Oh, they could be working or something. Oh, yeah, that's what I wanted to go through. So I'm in the union, right, for operators. I operate machinery and stuff, and also a welder. But I've got dispatch, and I'm going to be calling. I just put myself on the board, so I'm going to be getting called back to work. So I don't know where I'm working, and I don't know what times, but I'm not going to be able to do market opening. I'm going to be able to do before market opens, so I can give you guys a bit of a rundown before market opens. And then on my lunch hour, it won't be a setup like this, but I might be able to cover this at lunch hour for about 3 minutes. But what I'll be is off my smartphone, okay? So what I'll do is have the market in one hand, and you won't have a nice chart like this. It'll be just a typical podcast, okay? But when I get home late at night, I can always pre-record and let it release during the day. So you guys have some material, okay? Because there's nothing like a tuber getting out there and, oh, yeah, he joined the guy's channel and all of a sudden he doesn't podcast for like 2 weeks or one video a week. I won't be doing that to you guys. Even when I go out camping, because I camp for 2-3 months of the year, I got a nice, we just bought my wife actually purchased it 2 years ago. Nice RV. We got a 28-foot Jayco travel trailer. And yeah, so when I'm out camping that, I will be driving into cell service and doing it off of my hotspot, off my phone, off my new laptop I just bought for that reason. Same as when we travel. I just like to give you guys a heads up. I'd like to be transparent. Okay. So I will definitely be covering the market. If I'm out camping, I won't be doing market every day. It'll be every couple days, every 3 days. I'll be coming in and I'll do a podcast for you guys. Okay. Unless there's news, it's breaking news. I can always drive to the top of the hill and get cell service and do a podcast. Okay. And then, yeah, I'll give you some live footage of us quadding and stuff like that, and the scenery up here where I live and stuff. I'll throw some pictures up there and stuff, just some extra stuff for you. So, anyways, enough of blabbering there. You guys are probably like, shut up, Cameron. We don't care about your life. Wow, I'm just looking at the red. Only one stock right now. One stock right now. Okay, this is ticker symbol BLDP, Ballard Power. They're in a hydrofuel, water. They make water into power, okay? This is a obviously an environmental company. They want to get rid of carbon footprint into the earth. Okay. They've been around for a while. I think they were partners with Ford. I don't know if they still are. This is a good stock. It does go up and down. So it was back into, I'm just going to check something here. It was, yeah, see, $40 and it even higher. So this stock does go up and down. It's just at the long stock. Don't paper. Oh, you already want it. You won't work out for you if you're paper handing this. Okay. Like day trading on this. Nah, it won't work for you. It won't work for you at all. And if you want to day trade, you might want to set up some offshore trading accounts because there's rules in the States and in Canada too that you only can day trade on a certain amount of money, three times a week, like buying stocks and selling them and flipping them around. Okay, unless you have $25,000 in your account. Okay, there's ways around that. Okay, you can also go. Everybody's different. Every platform, every in the States, every district is different. So just maybe where you're living is different. So just look into it. I don't want you to get the wrong information. So that's why I'm throwing that out there just so you guys are a little bit educated on that. So if you set off an offshore trading account, there's no limits. Okay, there's no limits. You can trade as much as you want. Okay, and you can actually borrow money off them too. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So you can look into it. That stuff is common knowledge. You can Google it. If you do want to know more about it, just drop it in the comments down below or send me an email at cstrades101@gmail.com and I will answer and get you a link. Okay. We're going to go over to Microvision, MVIS. That's the ticker symbol, $14.38. We are in the negative. Sorry to say that, but we are. The whole market is 4.64 in the red. I'm going to see some volume. What do you guys got? A lot of sell volume about. So between 7 and, yeah, about 3 minutes after 7, between 7 and 5 after, they had a big sellout. Okay. And that's what drove the price down. They're sitting there. Where are we sitting here? Yeah, they're below. They're in between support level 1 and 2. So they're sitting at $14.38. So you need to get up to the $14.80. That's where you guys would love to get today. Close out on that. I really can't see that much happening today. Guys, after this, I'm going to be closing my computers and walking away. Okay. This is what I don't like the stress. I'm just on here covering this for you. But yeah, there's nothing going to, I'll check back at lunch hour, obviously at power hour. And if anything exciting is happening, I will be blasting a podcast though. You know how I am, right? So if anything like breaking news or anything like that, I think that you guys should know, I will cover it for you. Okay. So pop this off here and back to AMC. Just wanted to, what do I got on the 1 minute chart? It's going to draw. Thought I seen a bull flag forming here, but we pushed out of it. The other day we had a bull flag indicator. What I drew up a thing here before, and I seen a bull flag forming, but it's not now. Okay. This is all because of the news. This is nothing. No indicators would have picked this up. This is strictly news related, and because the economy, the U.S. economy and the Canadian economy is having a bit of a torque down right now. The tech stocks are getting schwacked. Okay, so this is where rich people get richer. This is where the poor become rich. Okay, when they buy on these huge dips. Okay, this is like a mini start of a COVID right now. Okay, except that they were down like 40, 50, 80%. Right. So what time is it here? What time is it? Oh yeah, we're gonna have to wrap her up. It's been an hour. Wow, it's a slice, man. I get, time flies when I'm hanging out with you guys, man. This is awesome. So, anyways, thanks for hanging out today. And this is CS Trades 101. And guys, don't stress out on this. Don't. If it was me, I'm not going to be panic selling. Don't shoot yourself in the foot, okay? unless you have to, unless you have bills and stuff. I can't tell you what to do. I know I say that all the time, but I just don't want to mislead you guys. Okay, and I say that because a lot of people come and go on our feed. Okay, and check out Wall Street Breakers. There's some good stuff over there, guys. And on the left-hand side, you can watch my videos out of there. Okay, they got a nice little crown on there, the king of channels. Okay, so, and yeah, say hi to the mod there, PV. Okay, so anyways, I'm out of here, and Wolfpack, keep it real, and I'll see you here tomorrow morning, and hopefully the market changes around, and hopefully you guys bought some dips. Okay, have a good night, and all the descriptions are down below. If you want to sub, hit the sub button. If you want to like the like button. Over and out.